Firstly, for the introduction, a proper building maintenance is important to ensure the building stays safe, functional and lasts long. In this assignment, we choose Gamuda Bisut as our case study. We reviewed current maintenance practices such as schedule, budget, and resource use to find strengths and weaknesses. Then we identify common issues and explored new solutions. Based on our findings, we created a detailed maintenance plan with tasks, timelines, responsibilities, and budget to improve the overall system. Next, background of the Gamuda Bisut. Gamuda Bisut is a modern commercial development in Kota Kemuning by Gamuda Land. It offers flexible office and retail units ranging from 650 to 1,200 square feet, complete with modern facilities, located within a well-planned township, and is surrounded by green spaces and designed to support various business needs. Gamuda Bisut has 10 levels, including 7 floors of office suite, 3 floors of retail space, and 2 basement parking level. It's built with reinforced concrete and features a modern oval design. The building sits above Gamuda Walk, which offers restaurants, shops, and various services. Gamuda Bisut is also designed with accessibility and safety in mind. It has 6 elevators, escalators, walkways, and 2 basement parking levels with over 700 beds. The building is disabled friendly and secured with 24-hour surveillance and access control. It is also accessible via major highways like SAS and LKCSA and is surrounded by schools, clinics, and parks.
My name is Anshahira and I will continue with the next part, which is analyze existing maintenance plans and practice. The first is maintenance frequency. The type of maintenance used in Gamuda Bisut and Gamuda Walk is proactive preventive maintenance plans. There is 5 frequency, which is daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. For daily, the daily maintenance activity in Gamuda Bisut are cleaning duties such as glass door cleaning and empty trash bin and replacing liner. The security activity is such as daily inspection of access point and fire exit doors and CCTV checking system. While for weekly maintenance duty is inspections and maintenance of passenger elevators and escalators. That to ensure smooth operation for daily use. Other than that, lighting replacement such as faulty light or dimmable light at the Gamuda Walk and Gamuda Bisut also will be done if necessary. The monthly maintenance are usually maintenance of the machinery room like genset room, main switchboard, MBSB room, and chiller room. The monthly maintenance routine is to inspect and to do maintenance work if necessary where there is some issue occur. Maintenance work for quarterly at the Gamuda property is the inspection and maintenance of the structural building. If there is any leaking, cracks on wall or ceiling of the building, they will do the maintenance work immediately. And lastly is the yearly. The major maintenance work is the maintenance and service of the machinery equipment such as genset room and chiller room. Maintenance work for the equipment will require to open all the machinery part for the purpose of maintenance work and inspection. Next is budget allocation. The budget allocation for the Gamuda Bisut and Gamuda Walk for 1 month is RM23,766 and RM261,426 for 11 months. The reason why the budget are quite high is because of at Gamuda Bisut and Gamuda Walk, they use both in-house and outsource for the maintenance work. In-house maintenance work is any work that can be done and finished by the staff by using any tools that has already been provided by the management of Gamuda Bisut and Gamuda Walk. The example in-house maintenance works is lift and travel letter maintenance, while for outsourced maintenance is a maintenance work done by the company appointed by the management. The example of outsourced maintenance work is cleaning duties and security duties. The last one is resource utilization. In order to limit the resource utilization at Gamuda Bisut and Gamuda Walk, they only sell vacant unit without providing any furniture and air conditioner. They only supply water and electricity for the office space, and at the same time they got to limit the total expenses for the maintenance work. Gamuda Bisut are committed to sustainability. They had 1 rainwater tank at the rooftop of the Gamuda Bisut that are purposed to be used for common area, and fountain at the Gamuda Walk. They also use sensor system for the elevator, excessive money and electricity. That's all from me. I will pass it to the other person.
So, common issues. The first issues is wall leakage issues at Gamuda Bisut. One major issues is water leakage that has damaged the interior walls. We saw peeling paint, cracks, white stain, and mold signs of long-term water seepage, likely from poor waterproofing or leaking pipes. Second is escalator or travelator not working. Next, we found that the travelator at Gamuda Bisut was not working. This shows a maintenance issues that affect user convenience and safety. It's especially difficult for people with mobility problems and gives a poor image of the building's management. Third is cleanliness problem. During inspection, there is a dirty and stained floor area with black patches and watermarks, likely from leaks, oil spills or poor drainage. It shows a lack of cleaning and can be a safety risk due to slippery surfaces. For potential areas for improvement, we can use of high quality waterproofing materials. To prevent water damage, it is important to use high quality waterproofing materials like polyurethane or cement coatings. These materials are stronger and last longer, especially in wet areas like bathrooms, rooftop and outside walls. Second, scheduled preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance means checking and servicing equipment like travelators, lift and air conditioning regularly. For example, the travelator at Gamuda Suites. Lastly, implement a regular cleaning schedule. To improve cleanliness, especially in parking or service areas, the building should follow a regular cleaning schedule. This includes sweeping, mopping and pressure washing floors and walls. Areas with oil or water should be cleaned more often to avoid stains and slippery surfaces. Drainage should also be checked regularly. Cleaning staff should be trained properly and warning signs should be placed to keep the area safe during cleaning.
Hi, my name is Dorana Shikiraptirosmi. Next, I will present innovation solution and technology. First, the damage to building like water leaks, shielding stain and peeling paint often occur that can cause severe structural and landscape damage if not properly managed. So this problem can be solved by inspection and maintenance that is essential for long-term effectiveness that helping to identify and fix leaks, sagging or misalignment. To successfully control the building deterioration, the property management team conducts the periodic condition evaluation which that include structural inspection and exterior audit. This maintenance preserves the functionality and aesthetic of Gamuda Suite, pedestrian paths, planned terrace and water-sensitive urban design element. Next is the maintenance team also receive complaint every day. So because of that, to address this problem successfully, the building management team implement a proactive and responsive maintenance approach. This involves the setting up an Autodesk Construction Club or ACC to schedule routine checks, track report faults and ensure the timely fix. And lastly, the building automation system or BUS at Gamuda Suite improve operational efficiency, energy saving and tenant comfort across the complex. BUS is a single network of sensor, control and software that manage critical building systems such as HVAC, lighting, fire protection, elevators and security. It also improves maintenance efficiency by detecting flaws or performance concern in real time, that allowing for quick corrective action before the residents encounter the problem.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatina Safra binti Manasri. I will proceed with the maintenance plans of the Gamuda Suite. So, first of all, maintenance plan program consists of short term, medium term and long term. Short term usually done daily, weekly or monthly, while medium term was done annually or yearly, and lastly, for long term is usually done 3 to 5 years or according to the building lifespan. The first component of the maintenance plans is the cleaning routine. It was done daily, and the maintenance activity involved was first cleaning glass door, replace liner and mopping floor. For the next component that was done daily was waste management system. The maintenance activity involved was empty trash bin. Then for security system, where they were checking CCTV system, inspect access point and inspect fire exit. Moving on to weekly tasks, the first component was lighting system, where the maintenance workers will replace the dimmable or faulty light. And then is for elevator and escalator system, there will be inspection of the elevator and escalator. Machinery maintenance are also done weekly, where it involved the inspection and repairing of genset room, main switchboard room, and chiller room. The maintenance task that done yearly by Gamuda Suite was air conditioning system, where it involved inspection of HVAC and replace HVAC air filter. For the quarterly maintenance task, there involve two components, which is roofing system and fire safety system. The maintenance activity that involved in roofing system is examining leaking on roof and cleaning roof debris, while for fire safety system, it involves fire drill training and testing fire system.
My name is Nora Alifazana. Alright, let's move on to part of the slide provides an overview of the maintenance plan developed for Gamuda B Suites, which is the case study we focus on. The purpose of this plan is to ensure that the daily operations of the building run smoothly, safely and efficiently, while also protecting the value of the property in the long term. So in this part, basically I will go through the core details of our presentation, which cover specific tasks, maintenance schedule, responsibilities and budget consideration. So first I will go through with specific tasks. Basically the purpose of specific tasks are maintain safety and comfort for tenants, prevent costly breakdowns with regular checks, improve tenant satisfaction and protect long-term property value. Like when a building is well maintained, tenants enjoy a clean, functional and well-managed space. This increase their overall satisfaction and likelihood to renew lease, while plus by preserving the condition of property over the long term, its value is protected, making it more attractive to future tenants. And in this maintenance plan, there are detailed specific tasks outlined according to their frequency, which are daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly and yearly. It is to ensure that all maintenance work is carried out systematically and effectively. So for daily tasks help ensure that the building stays clean, safe and welcoming for our occupants. For daily tasks, they focus on basic upkeep such as cleaning glass doors, floors and trash bin areas, and also monitoring the CCTV system and inspecting access points and emergency exit. These measures helps ensure that the premise remain clean and safe every day. Second, weekly tasks. Weekly checks keep equipment like elevators and lighting running smoothly and prevent minor issues from becoming bigger issues. At the weekly level, maintenance includes checking and replacing any faulty lights to maintain proper lighting, inspecting the elevators and escalators to ensure smooth operation, and examining equipment rooms like the genset and chiller rooms to make sure all systems are functioning properly. And next, monthly tasks. Monthly inspection focus on key systems like HVAC to catch early signs of wear and maintain efficiency. For the monthly tasks, they focus on maintaining major equipment like the HVAC and chiller system. This proactive maintenance prevents larger issues and extends the lifespan of the equipment. Move on to quarterly tasks. Quarterly tasks include structural and safety checks to ensure the building stays sound and compliant with safety standards. Every quarter, they inspect the roof and plumbing to detect leaks and keep the drainage system working efficiently. And also fire safety tests and fire drill training are also conducted regularly to make sure all safety equipment is in good working order and everyone knows their proper emergency procedures. And last, yearly tasks. Yearly maintenance involves servicing major equipment to keep it in peak condition and extend its lifespan. Finally, for the yearly tasks, they carry out full servicing of major equipment such as the genset, chiller and HVAC. They also replace HVAC fillers and conduct a comprehensive inspection to maintain safety, efficiency and long-term performance throughout. On to our maintenance schedule. Basically, this table summarizes the planned maintenance tasks at Gamuda B Suites, which we gather from our case study. Here you can see the tasks are organized by frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly and yearly, along with the most recent dates they will complete. The purpose of this schedule is to make sure that all essential maintenance is carried out on time, helping to prevent unexpected breakdowns, keep the property in top condition and ensure a safe and comfortable environment for all tenants.
My name is CFAP2255B. I will continue with the explanation about the key responsibility in the building maintenance system. So in our case study, which is the Gamuda B Suite, they have the management team, which includes the property manager and maintenance supervisor, which their responsibility for planning the maintenance schedule, allocating budget, and ensuring safety compliance. They also supervise both internal technicians and also external service providers. Second, we have the management technician, which carry out technical tasks. They perform the inspection and servicing on systems like HVAC, electrical panels, and also plumbing. They also are responsible for making corrective repair and maintaining tools and equipment. Next, we have janitorial staff, which help handle the daily cleaning duties such as mopping, trash disposal and keeping public area hygienic. So they also assist with minor upkeep to keep the environment pleasant for tenant and the visitor. And lastly, we have the building occupants, which they also play a role. They are expected to report the issue promptly and cooperate with the management during the inspection or repair work. And their feedback is crucial for early detection of problems. So by assigning the clear rules and responsibility, the building maintenance runs effectively and accountability is maintained across all the levels. Okay, now I will expand about the budget consideration for the maintenance plan at Gamuda Biswit. The total estimated annual budget is approximately 78,500. This cost covers a combination of in-house and past and outsourced service. We also allocate 20,000 per year for lift and travelator and also escalator maintenance, which handle under an annual service contract. So this vertical transportation system are used daily, so regular servicing is essential for safety and smooth operation. Next, the HVAC maintenance, including chiller and air filter replacement, is budget at 8,000 ringgit. HVAC is critical for indoor air quality and thermal comfort, especially in the commercial building, which is the mall. The lighting and electrical maintenance is allocated at 5,500 per year, covering bulb replacement and inspection of the main switchboard. For the plumbing and roof maintenance, we allocate a total of 6,000 to ensure quarterly checks and repair. So this prevents water leaks and damage to the building structure. For the safety system, including the alarm and drills, a budget at 4,000 per year. This is to ensure the compliance with safety regulation and protect equipment during emergency. While the cleaning service and security service are both outsourced with combined cost of 35,000 per year. This includes 24 hours security, CCTV monitoring, and janitorial service and waste management. And we also reserve 5,000 for emergency repair to handle unexpected issues that may arise throughout the year. So this structured budget helps to maintain the building performance while minimizing the long-term repair costs through preventive maintenance. In summary, a well-planned maintenance budget and clearly defined responsibility are essential for ensuring the building performance, safety, and long-term sustainable at the Gamuda Biswit.